Herbs are an incredible resource for natural health and wellness, offering a vast array of medicinal benefits. To unlock their full potential, it is essential to understand how to extract their medicinal properties using appropriate solvents or menstruums tailored to the plant part and its constituents. We will look at the primary extraction methods: water, alcohol, glycerin, vinegar, and oil, and the plant parts best suited for each. Water as a menstruum. Water is the simplest and most accessible menstruum used to create infusions and decoctions. Just be sure to use distilled water for herbal purposes. Infusions. Best for delicate plant parts like flowers and leaves, which release their volatile compounds and water-soluble constituents quickly. Examples: chamomile, flowers, peppermint, leaves. How to: steep. 1 to 2 teaspoons of the herb in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, keeping the container covered to prevent volatile oils from escaping. Decoctions. Ideal for harder, denser plant materials like roots, bark, and seeds, which require longer simmering to release their compounds. Examples: dandelion root, cinnamon bark. How to: simmer the plant material in water for 20-30 minutes and maybe longer for woody plant parts. Strain and consume. Water extracts are excellent for obtaining water-soluble compounds such as flavonoids, tannins, mucilage, and polysaccharides. Alcohol, tinctures. Alcohol is a versatile and effective menstruum, capable of extracting both water-soluble and alcohol-soluble compounds. It is particularly useful for preserving herbal extracts over a long period. Best for a wide range of plant parts, including leaves, flowers, roots, bark, and berries. Examples: echinacea root, hawthorn berries, lavender flowers. Why alcohol works. Alcohol excels at extracting alkaloids, resins, and essential oils, which are often poorly soluble in water. How to: combine the herb with alcohol, vodka or brandy, typically 40-60% alcohol by volume, in a 1:5 or 1:10 ratio. Let the mixture macerate in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking occasionally. Strain and store in a dark glass bottle. Glycerin. Glycerites. Glycerin, a sweet, non-alcoholic alternative, is an excellent choice for extracting herbs for children or individuals avoiding alcohol. Best for leaves, flowers, and soft plant parts. Examples: lemon balm, leaves, elderflowers. Why glycerin works. Glycerin is particularly effective at extracting water-soluble constituents, but less so for alcohol-soluble compounds. How to: combine the herb with a mixture of 60% glycerin and 40% water in a mason jar. Let it macerate for 4 to 6 weeks, strain, and store in a dark, cool place. Vinegar. Vinegar is a powerful menstruum for extracting minerals and alkaloids from plants. Herbal vinegars also make nutritious and flavorful additions to food. Best for mineral-rich herbs, roots, and barks. Examples: nettle leaves, rich in calcium and magnesium, burdock root. Why vinegar works. The acidic nature of vinegar excels at breaking down plant material to extract minerals and vitamins. How to: combine the herb with apple cider vinegar in a 1:5 ratio. Let it steep for 2 to 4 weeks, shaking daily. Strain and use as needed. Oil. Infused oils. Oil infusions are used to extract fat-soluble compounds for topical use, such as in salves and creams. Best for flowers, aromatic herbs, and resinous plant parts. Examples: calendula flowers, rosemary leaves, comfrey root. Why oil works. Oils capture lipophilic compounds, such as terpenes and fat-soluble vitamins, making them ideal for skin applications. How to: gently heat the herb in oil. Olive or coconut oil are common choices. Using a double boiler for 1 to 2 hours, or let it sit in a sunny window for 2 to 4 weeks. Strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth and store in a dark, cool place. Matching menstruums to plant parts. Different plant parts have unique physical structures and chemical constituents that influence the choice of menstruum. Flowers. Delicate and aromatic, ideal for water infusions or oil extractions. Examples: lavender, chamomile. Leaves, rich in volatile oils and water-soluble compounds, suited for infusions, glycerites, or alcohol tinctures. Examples: lemon balm, mint. Roots, dense and often rich in polysaccharides, alkaloids, and minerals, benefit from decoctions, tinctures, or vinegar. Examples: valerian root, dandelion root. Bark, hard and fibrous, requires alcohol tinctures or decoctions. Examples: cinnamon bark, willow bark. Seeds, high in oils or alkaloids, best extracted using alcohol, vinegar, or oil. Examples: fennel seeds, milk thistle seeds. Combining menstruums. Some herbs contain a wide range of constituents that may require multiple menstruums for complete extraction. For example, ashwagandha roots contains both water-soluble and alcohol-soluble compounds. A dual extraction method, decoction followed by tincturing, can capture its full spectrum of benefits. Extracting herbal properties is both an art and a science. By understanding the characteristics of each plant part and matching them with the appropriate menstruum, you can create potent and effective herbal preparations tailored to your needs. Experiment with these methods to unlock the full medicinal potential of your herbs and deepen your connection to the plant world.